Okay, so last Christmas collection. Last thing I'm going to show you tonight is the fourth of the Simple Stories holiday collections. This one is called Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. This is more of a like classic vintage. So as opposed to Dear Santa was a little bit more kitschy, a little bit more fun, a little bit more vintage 50s kind of style. Like someone suggested, think flamingos on a lawn, right? This one is going to be more classic vintage. So we'll start out with, of course, look at that, the Christmas stars. So this stencil is so perfect for not only Christmas, but I think just so many things because, well, it would work obviously for 4th of July or Canada Day, or is Bastille Day? I don't know if stars are part of Bastille Day. Anyhow, anything that's star related, it could work for camping as well if you're stargazing, but that is the 6x8 stencil, so that one is a la carte. 6x8 paper pad. I am not using anything from 'Tis the Season in my December documented project this year. Nothing from 'Tis the Season. So if you were waiting, then now you know. Having a wonderful Christmas time. It's beautiful. It just didn't work as well. It does not blend as well for me with Dear Santa and Boho Christmas. So if I were to throw this one in there, just make it a little bit more difficult for me to do. Let's see, Melissa said, I have all of Lael's past December daily album flip through YouTube videos saved to a playlist. Each year is such great inspiration. Oh, Melissa, I'm glad. Thank you. It is like by far my favorite project of the year, by far. Look how beautiful that is, kind of with the mittens holding the greenery. But you can kind of see, definitely, I don't want to say more serious. It's just more vintagey, right? Not as playful or whimsical. But still beautiful. The Christmas tree music. The green plaid is stunning. A nice basic polka dot. That is beautiful. You know what this reminds me of? I can tell this is the same designer that designed this, that designed Simple Vintage, the lavender one. I can't remember now. Anyhow, it'll come to me. That was so popular this year that they just released. It starts shipping next month. Two beautiful kind of florals, your little holly and then a floral there. Nice scene of trees. Great green plaid. Little cameras, multicolored polka dot, black and white polka dot. Ooh, that's fun, isn't it? Merry Christmas. With a little old-fashioned car and the Christmas tree. Green polka dot. Aha, I just noticed something. Look at green polka dot, black polka dot. Lots of good polka dots there. Red polka dot. Okay. Your 3x4 cut aparts, beautiful poinsettia on the back, another 3x4 cut apart with a really pretty diagonal stripe. So that is, then we repeat again. So then we repeat for the same 12 patterns. That is the 6x8 paper pad. Oh, thank you. Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. I know, right? Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. That is coming back. I'll have it back in stock in September because Simple Stories re-released it. They ordered up again, and that is very rare that a manufacturer does that, you guys. All right, the rub-ons, super pretty. Look at the red cardinal. Poinsettia, I love that little piece there too. Beautiful yellow, white. Looks like a gardenia, but I don't know. Nice holly, and then beautiful greenery on the back side. So those are the rub-ons from Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season. Let's take a look at the sticker book. 12 sheets, 333 stickers across those 12 sheets. Starting with beautiful icons. So what's a little bit different about this sticker book than some of the others, you'll notice the outline, like this, is cream instead of white. So it just makes it a little bit softer, okay? Cream outline as opposed to white. Beautiful letters with all that beautiful kind of, not newspaper, but newspaper-ish, book-ish pattern. Some word labels. Oh, look at that, stunning. Look at those that they're on like that newsprint. That is so pretty. Little cloves in your Little arrangements there. Cloves and citrus, your orange. Ooh, look at those. Okay, you don't often see red and green typewriter numbers. You see black, but red and green, those are really pretty. And you have 1 through 31 of those 3 colors. So you could work on your numbering quite a bit with those. You have your circles, your tabs and labels. Ooh, look at that. The borders, those are beautiful. Border stickers. Nice camera again at the bottom. Larger word art. That Believe is stunning. Love the tickets. I am a sucker for tickets. I love, 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 love those tickets. And then a little bit more, a few more icons, and look at how nice that is with the little Christmas tree in the back of the red truck with snow all over the truck. All right, that is the sticker book. Now we have, the ephemera. Let's look at the ephemera. Karen said she will probably buy the sticker book also. It's really pretty. So ephemera again, ephemera for 'tis the season. The ephemera packs are generally larger than your die cuts. So for example, these are your bits and pieces. Well, you can see here. These are your bits and pieces die cuts, and these are your ephemera. So your ephemera are going to be your larger, maybe. Look at, sorry. if you could have seen me, my mouth just dropped open. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh, like all of that ephemera tucked into an envelope, all the layering and everything is done for us. We don't have to have a clue how to layer, and it's all just one nice piece there. That is a nice large piece. All right. Oh, that's pretty, that little wreath with the candle. I haven't seen any of this. I love the layered tickets. Oh, that one's really pretty too. Like some kind of playbook maybe with a postcard and 2 Christmas postcards. A little Christmas tree. Poinsettia on music background. A tree, another tree. Oh, look at all the tickets. So now we start to get a little bit smaller. So you have the larger pieces, but look at all those tickets. I just love, love, love all those tickets. Okay, that's the ephemera. The ephemera. And then we will take a look at the bits and pieces and then the floral bits, because the floral bits are gorgeous in this too. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Nancy said the borders are perfect pop for top or bottom of page. Yes, the border stickers, right? Absolutely. Okay, so these are the die cuts, smaller than the ephemera, okay? Beautiful icons. There's kind of a mix between the layered bits in this package of ephemera. I mean, sorry, not ephemera, die cuts. Die cuts, bits and pieces, die cuts. Great titles. I don't want to call it ephemera because it's the other pieces we looked at. Look at that camera, it's beautiful. Oh, a nice little green, old-fashioned car. Beautiful cardinals. Look at that, that's really pretty too. The most wonderful time of the year, our layered pieces. Oh, look at, this is what I'm trying to get to. That's really fun. But look, there's another smaller, a little bit smaller. And that, Karen, if you're still here, that's kind of kitschy. So that little reindeer is a little bit kitschy, kind of fun, whimsical pop in that collection. All right, so last thing that we'll look at before we look at the washi tape would be the floral bits. The floral bits. So the floral bits, again, love, love, love the floral bits in any collection, whether Simple Stories or American Crafts does them as well in some of their collections. But again, for those of us that love the flowers but don't want to have to fussy cut out of a 12 by 12 piece of paper, it's just so, so nice. Look at that, is beautiful. And that, you know what, that doesn't even need to be Christmas. That could work for anything. Winter, summer, that is definitely Christmas. Little cute little pine cone. Holly, that'll give you a feel for, oh, look at that, that's wonderful. All of those little floral bits. Lots of poinsettias. Oh, what is this one called? I don't think it, maybe it is. I can't remember what I was calling it before. I'm tired, I can't remember. Gardenia, is that a gardenia? I don't know. There's one of those with the little cloves and your little orange slice. Oh, look, there's even a little clove. Okay, So those are the floral bits. Now I will put the floral bits away, and then I will pull out the washi. And as I'm doing the washi, I will bring the 'Tis the Season big bundle forward. Big bundles again, if you are either joining me later in the full video, or maybe you are watching the separated parsed, the parsed version of the full video. The big bundle has almost everything in the collection. Every once in a while, I'll not include a stamp set or something like that. But 12 by 12 collection kit, the foam stickers, the chipboard frames, the decorative brads, the stencils, everything I also showed you. The foam stickers, the chipboard, decorative blads, glossy enamel dots, everything. And when you buy the big bundle, because you're buying it all, then you get 15% off. Okay, let's pull out the washi. Ooh, it's a marathon tonight, friends. Amaryllis, oh, magnolia, Melissa, magnolia. It is a magnolia. For sure, it's a magnolia. Thank you. Yes, not gardenia, magnolia. All right, so washi tape for 'Tis the Season. You know I love this one, because this one, the tickets, love everything ticket. And once I get them down, I will bring the book up to you so you can see what all of these look like up close and in person. Three washi designs or rolls that are 15 millimeters tall, kind of your standard roll. And then you have two that are 8 millimeters tall, so thinner. And I love it when manufacturers do the complementary, like thinner versions, because they're a great accent. So you can put a thick and a thin together, and then you have a nice little pair. And this one is all day long. Give me this one all day long. That's just a classic stripe. Candy cane stripe. Okay, here we go, friends. There we go. Those are the 5 beautiful washi that are part of Simple Vintage 'Tis the Season.